I'm sorry, little buddy.
Don't fall for it, Jockey! That baby's got the heart of a demon!
No, you're not a demon, are you? You're a cute little bugger face. I'm just gonna pet your little head.
You'll never be as cruel as me, Hank. Just give up. The overworld doesn't need you, Henry. And neither do I.
This is all your fault, Henry. Everything you do fails. This is all your fault.
This stuff? Trash, kid.
What the?
I'm coming! Heck yeah, I got you, Jockey. Come on.
You saved my life. That's what friends do, Gary.
Hank, did you get the Earth Crystal?
Yeah, I got it.
Let's get out of this hellhole.